folks, it's me again. My mic went dead, and I was gonna go home, but it's pouring rain outside, and if I go home right now, I'm gonna get soaked. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes, and I'm gonna do something and report it. So here, this is what I'm doing. See this? I'm gonna clean this Honda trunk. See that? Put this up just a little. Basically just gonna give it a quick clean. There's like a shitload of dirt out there. Looks like somebody spray painted it. Huggies wipes. Why am I cleaning it? Because I'm gonna use it with I'm gonna use a batch of plastic restorer on it and see how that works. So there's some black paint. I guess somebody spray painted the bars at one time. I left it on the bike. I think somebody painted the bars while the bars were still on the bike. Like I said, I'm not giving this bike a complete, what do you call it, concours, I guess, restoration, but if I can clean it up a little, why not, right? If I can get it looking nice and get it looking all pretty, why not? Why the heck not? Might need some couple of new used parts here and there, but you know, I don't have a sink in here, so can't really wash parts. I am gonna get my parts washer working again. Just trying to get all the muck off here. Figure if I can't work on one part, if I'm stuck on one part and I don't have enough time to work on, I'll do some of the smaller stuff in the meantime. Now, let's see. This top part looks like it's stressed out. You can see where it's cracking. Like definitely, this trunk lid is old. It's got like cracks. Like it looks like wood. Where it's just aged. There's that stuff all over it. I don't know where that plastic restorer bottle went. It's over there. Let's give it one more good clean here. Wipe once over. I don't expect it to look perfect. I do expect all the cobwebs to come off there. Missed a spot right in here. Should I just buy a aftermarket trunk lid? I don't know. Got the genuine Honda part numbers on it. I mean, I don't mind buying aftermarket parts. I mean, you know what? Like I said, I don't know if I said that in a previous video, but this is a three-wheeler. It's not a show car. I mean, it's nice to have nice toys too. What is that on there? Something's on there. Let's see. Where's the little sponge? There's the little spongy thing. what does it say on here? Shake bottle well. Okay. I'll shake the bottle well. Vigorously shake the bottle. Okay. This is what I'm using, in case you're wondering. Shake bottle well. Apply small amount onto applicator. Massaging the surface to create very thin layer. Let the product work for 10 to 30 minutes. Can't even let it sit overnight. After storing, buff the surface clean towel and let it dry for 10 minutes. After drying, help prevent dust and dirt from sticking. Do a second wipe down, ensure excess product is removed. Okay. Let's put. Oh, I guess that's a small amount. Now we'll just put this on here like so. This will work. Let's try them on. There you go. Plastic restorer. If I destroy this thing, well, oh well. I'll do the outside first. So anyway, this is pretty much what it looks like now. Let me get some of that stuff out of the corner here. Put it in the corner. That's what it looks like. Is there any huge difference? I don't think so. I mean, it's a little shinier. I guess I'll see you later on in the week when I do like 10 coats of this stuff on here. So anyway, did that. Tried it out. I'll let it dry. And I'll let you folks know how it is. Well, here's another good candidate here. Let's try this out. Let's clean that off there. Oh, yeah, I didn't even clean this. Oops. Oopsies. This just looks brighter. Oh, I better clean it up first. Yeah. That's a little dirty under here. Yeah, a little cleaner would be. Cleanliness is godliness, I guess. I don't think we really need plastic restorer inside the crevices here, do we? I gotta get this bolt off here. I'll take that off later. And part of the back fender's on here. Not the back, yeah, the back fender. Part of the tail light. Let's see. Clean this off real quick here. What? I would ask why people drill screw holes through these things, but I know why, because the biggest problem with these things was they would hit a tree and they'd rip right off. It was a nice little feature on there, but kind of probably the worst feature of Honda three-wheelers was the little fender trim. That would be my interpretation of it. Everybody I know always hated this little fender trim. Made the bike look nice though. Made it look real nice. Alright, now let's see. We will plastic coat this thing. Let's see. Well, it does make it look really nice. Gotta give it that. Let's try a little more here, just to see how it works. There we go. A little cleaner pad, just rub it all over. I mean, does it restore it? I don't know. You be the judge. It was mostly dirt before, but it's not terrible. I'll do the other side just for the hell of it. There we go. Let it dry. See how it goes. I want to pull that thing off next time. Anyway, it has stopped raining. And we will get out of here. I'll show you the result of this in a second. So anyway, it says let it dry for 24 hours. The lid itself, just cleaning it looks a lot better. Does the plastic restore do the job? I don't know. Maybe a couple of coats of this stuff might work. I'll see. I'll do an update video because I'm gonna pretty much use this on all the fenders. This part does look, like I said, you can't really tell. I mean, it looks good. I don't know what it did to it, but yeah. I mean, it looks better. It's better than before. But is it the fact that I cleaned the dirt off and wet it? Or is it the fact that it just looks shiny? I mean, I think we could all do the same thing with Armor All. But it wouldn't be plastic restore. See? Anyway, I'll let you know what I think when it dries in 24 hours. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and stay tuned to my lovely channel that I've got going here. Toodles.